Hi, baby. Hello. Don't get nervous. We're all here to support you, baby. You'll be doing fine. Okay? Love you. Bye, baby.
What's up, family? I'm excited to see you, baby. Can't wait to see you do your dance. Zo voor.
Hey teens, hope you know that I am super proud of you and I am so excited to watch you, Siva. You're the best taupo in the world. Love you always and forever.
Hey baby, congrats on being taupo. Good luck. Don't get nervous. We know you're going to be the most beautiful taupo tonight. Let's go.
Let's go, Tino.
Have fun, Tino, and we love you.
Tino, good luck and hopefully you dance good. Tino, hope you have a good time dancing and yeah, shine bright and yeah, love you. Congratulations on being taupo, Tino. Love you and see you after. Let's go, Chile. You're dancing too.
We can't wait to watch your show and your cousins, your sisters, Dinah and Dara. I can't wait. Bye, love yous.
Ia malo kapua ia lewo mai kapua mea kamaki. Ase ko aku ia au matangi o sua vai aku skapo kala.
Hey, so my name's Josh, and I'm from Woodridge. Talofa, so for Manguia Langi Makafi. My name is Aumakangi. I am one of the uncles for our beautiful niece, daughter, princess of Fortino. As busy as we are and how busy it gets throughout the weeks, always trying to make time for family. It's not just a dance academy, it's something she loves, she's inspired, and we're here to support her. Not just her, the group of people that surround her, her tutors and the group of Tino Mai. So looking forward to watching the showcase. First time coming to one of these events, and I'm happy to be here with the community to support our beautiful children, the young people of Samoa for tomorrow. Yeah, manuia lo fasausanga, manuia lo tapuinga, fa manuia le tua soifua.
Hey, have fun tonight, girls. Just want to wish Tino and Sarah well done. Congratulations, girls. And you've got so much support here tonight. Love you, girls.
Hi baby, hi Zara. I just wanted to say how proud I am of you both. I'm so giving praise to God for the courage that He's given you both to do this Tino Mai showcase. So go out, smash it, have fun. Don't forget to smile. Love you both.